I'm Pamela Salzman. Welcome to my kitchen. In today's cooking class, I'm going to show you how to make your own almond butter. It's a lot easier than you think. It'll save you some money and it'll keep out all the junk. All right, let's get started. The way I like to do this is to start off with raw almonds, and it's a lot easier to make this and faster if you actually roast the almonds first. So I like to stick these in a 350-degree oven on a sheet pan for about 10-ish minutes. They'll start to smell kind of toasty, but what happens is when the almonds are warmed up, some of those oils start to release, and that's what helps kind of move things around the food processor a little bit better. So we're gonna put them in the food processor, and I have the bowl fitted with the regular blade attachment, okay? So you don't wanna use the one that's blunt, that one's for dough. So this is just your standard S blade. Put your almonds in the food processor and press on. This is gonna take a little while. So if your food processor is not strong, you may wanna do this in stages where you're gonna press on, let it go for 2 minutes, give your food processor a break, and then just kind of keep doing that on and on and on. But mine is pretty strong, so I'm gonna press on, and then we're gonna just scrape it down after a little bit. I wanna show you all the different stages of how this is gonna go. The first stage, you're just gonna kind of see it looking almost like an almond meal, right? So it's kind of crumbly and it's not anywhere close to being almond butter. No problem. Scrape down your food processor and then press on again. You're gonna see it now get a little bit finer, and it's gonna start clumping up a bit. You're on your way. So again, have faith. This will end up turning into almond butter in no time. I'm gonna scrape down the sides once more, and then we're gonna keep going. Then you're gonna see it get to like almost a ball stage. We're still not quite there, but almost. Again, scrape down anything on the sides, press on, and that's when all the magic happens. All the oils will be released, and that's when you're gonna get this nice creamy nut butter. Now, you can have some fun with this. If you love the flavor of something like honey with your nut butter, feel free to add it here. And this is why it's so great to make your own, because you can control how much honey or maple syrup you add. You can add in a pinch of cinnamon. You could add some sea salt. What about a little vanilla? You can add some flax or chia seeds. I mean, totally have fun with it. And once you've gotten this down, you can make other nut butters in the same exact way. Hazelnut, walnut, pecan, they're all amazing. All right, have fun with it. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Leave your comments below if you've got any questions, and then also check out more of my tips, tricks, and recipes on PamelaSalzman.com. I'll see you guys next week in the kitchen.